Hi everyone and welcome to my review of the Winmau Lunaris Frontier of Performance Dart, introducing also the new switch points, which is the new quick change technology from Winmau. Let's have a look what's in the box. So there's your first look at the Lunaris darts, guys. Winmau described them as the shining star in their Frontier collection, and I think you'd agree, the profile on this barrel is absolutely stunning. What do we get in the box? So obviously you get your 3 barrels with points already on them. The points that come with the darts are the silver smooth 26mm. We also get the integrated fusion system, so a short shaft with the number 2 shape flight. You have an extra set of points as well, and these are the silver groove 26mm. And then obviously you get the key to change the points with the new switch point system. These are the 25 gram steel tip version, and they're the parallel version of the barrel. You can also get a tapered version of the barrel. So I'm now going to take the key out and just show you how easy it is to change the points. So first of all, if I just show you what this Winmau switch point tool offers us. Number 1 at the top here, that's a key ring hole. So, handy to have this tool on your darts case or on your set of keys when you're heading out for a game of darts. Number 2 then, these 2 here are your snapped plastic shaft removers. Number 3, the larger hole in the middle is your shaft tightener. Number 4 is the bottle opener, so to open any bottles if you fancy a beer or a J2O when you're having your game of darts. Number 5 is the point sharpener, always useful just to make sure your darts points are sharp enough. And then number 6, these holes here and these here are your spanner slots for the Winmau points. So I'll now show you in this part of the video how easy it is to get this point off and to put one of the replacement ones on. With the tool, as I said, you have 2 options, the spanner slot there or these ones here. So we'll pop it in there, just a couple of turns, point comes off really easily, and just help it off, and then grab one of our 26mm smooth points, pop it in, start it on its way, put one of the spanner points on, and there we have it. In a matter of seconds, that switch point tool, we've changed our point, as easy as pie. So this has been a review of the Lunaris parallel version of the dart, 25 grams. They retail at £90. Get onto the Winmau website and get your set today. Thanks for watching.